dive's been taken out, the iron ore content within it. It was taken from the jetty there, and the old derelict building is actually the weighing station. Now see where the gentleman in the red top is, the land in black? Look in the water. Very hence the point of land, we're going to go around a mile or two, as I say, the Southern Armour Tour Bay. Actually houses the shortest and tallest lighthouse in England. And the main reason for this being is a lighthouse on top, it's only a little building you see, then it stands around about 10-11 feet high, hence the shortest. But of course then when we add it in with the height of the rock, it's over 200 feet high, hence the tallest. And the average depth of water in Torbo's, we're running along here now, underneath at the moment we've got 36 feet. But the deepest part of Torbo's only around about 50-55 feet. When we go past this point of land, large canoe going up ahead of us, you'll see in just a moment or two. The seal directly ahead of us in the water, look. Beach a few years ago.